once it lost this these moving averages right here and they were curling down, I realized that this was about to reverse. So I got out. Hi everyone, it's Tiffany with Bearable Traders here to do my recap. Just a disclaimer, my kids are home today and the dog's very rambunctious around me, so if you hear background noises, I apologize. I had a red day today, so Oxy was on my main watch list. It had really nice volume pre-market. It was right at this level that it has topped out at in the past 3 or 4 days, and I was hoping for a breakout. So as you can see, I took this as a 5-minute opening range breakup. There you have the first 5-minute candle, really strong. Came and tested yesterday's close, claimed the VWAP, pulled back, and made a new 1-minute high, pushing up through this daily level. So I took a long position and stopped out below VWAP. What was I missing in this trade? The volume. I really should have been paying attention to the volume, but I had this plan in my head and I was anxious about it making this new 1-minute high. I completely just disregarded the fact that the volume really didn't come in to push up through these daily levels. So that was my first trade. And then I tried to take it again as a 15-minute breakdown. It lost the VWAP and was pushing down through yesterday's close. And this was a really nice 15-minute doji with a large wick to the top side. It made a new low, pushing down through these moving averages, and I took it short and was stopped out when it looked like a double bottom right here, and it started pushing up through the moving averages on the 1 minute. This is a clear sign of a reversal for me. You have the 9 and the 20 curling up and crossing over, and then the 50 coming down to meet it. So I got out. It also made a new 5-minute high. So I started out red today. Another red trade. BILI was not on my watch list this morning. However, it was on the Gappers scanners this morning. So I kept an eye on it as well. And I really liked the levels that it was trading around. So here you have 2 days ago low, which was a daily. You can see it right here. And I was kind of looking for it to break down through this level, and I was going to take a partial at this daily level at 21.11 roughly, and then there were some other great levels below that. And it was a really nice 15-minute candle at the open. Came back up, retested this daily level, and was making new lows. So I went short, and then it pushed back up through this daily level, and I got stopped out. So what did I miss on this one? Once again, volume. You see this buying volume right here that came in at this level, and it came back down and retested it and had some more buying volume. And if I would have paid attention to this volume candle right here at this level, I would have waited for it to actually break through this level, come back and retest it to go short. So I did miss that as well. And so another red trade. I should have stopped trading after that, because I do have a rule if I have 3 red trades that I take a break, I walk away. I did not do that. I pulled Tesla up because it's comforting to me. I really like to trade Tesla. And I saw this, I started watching it about here, and I saw this daily level approaching. And I saw the hard sell off to this daily level, and I was going to see how it reacted against this. And so it threw up a hammer doji on the 5 minute, made a new high. And so I took it, took a long position on it. I probably should have waited till about here to enter when it retested this daily level and started making new highs, or even here, even better here when the volume came in. So, but I went long. Stop loss was if it lost this daily level, and then I took partials on the way up. At the 9 on the 5, I took a partial and then VWAP, and then it came back and stopped me out at break even. And I believe I was still red at this point, but I decided to trade one more time. I have a max 5 trades for the day, so I really wanted one more trade to see if I could redeem myself, which I shouldn't have. It's another red one. And this was JD. It had pushed up through this daily level on at around 54.36, and it came back and was consolidating above it and retested this level. I saw that it was gaining strength for a push up. My target was this next daily level up here, and I really liked that it was making new 5 minute highs, pushed up through that level, and it was very strong this morning, and it looked as if it was making a 15-minute ABCD pattern. So I took a long position. My stop was if it made a new 5-minute low, which was also below this daily level. I added when I thought it was breaking out, and then I quickly realized when it topped out here, this third top, that this was a triple top of sorts. And then once again, you have the 9 and the 20 crossing over and curling down. And once it lost this these moving averages right here and they were curling down, I realized that this was about to reverse. So I got out. So that's my 5th trade. I am ending the day red. Not every day is going to be great, and not every day is going to be green. So I'm following my rules on that to live to trade another day. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like and subscribe button, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.